an energetic protocol to assist you in retrieving all of your control off of the outer world and back to your divine line. We invite you to take a deep breath in, soul rider, using your higher self, your energetic fields, your intent, imagination, and breath to pull yourself more deeply into your divine line. Holding space for the body to use the breath to pull the energy and awareness into its divine line. We invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, to use your energetic fields, your imagination, to feel into all of your control chips that you have outside yourself. On money, on loved ones, those you care about, on the future, on the house, the home, on your body, on the outer, all the control, soul rider. Inviting your higher self, soul rider, to work with your energetic fields and the guides to begin retrieving all of that control off of everyone and everything, cleaning it, recalibrating it, reweaving it, and equally dispersing all of those bundles of control, grids of control, threads of control, nuggets of control in your individual divine cosmic loop in an equally dispersed way. Just keep holding space for you, soul rider, to retrieve all of that control off of everyone and everything, including your body, back to your divine line. And you might silently just be in the mantra of retrieving my control back to my divine cosmic loop. Control back to my divine cosmic loop. Control back to my divine cosmic loop. Off my body. Off my family. Off my animals. Off humanity. Off Gaia. Back to my divine cosmic loop. And you might even feel a little weepy as you, soul rider, retrieve all that control back to your divine cosmic loop, putting you, soul rider, back in control of the light that flows within you. And then as you, soul rider, retrieve all of that control back to your divine line, divine cosmic loop, we invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, working with your energetic fields, guides, to retrieve, or rather pull, all of your energy, soul rider, off the arms, the legs, the buttocks, the back, the belly, and into your divine line, divine cosmic loop. No smearing self into form. Soul rider, use that control that you are now holding in your individual divine cosmic loop to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line, snuggled up on front of spine, equally dispersing your energy, your light in your entire divine cosmic loop as you equally disperse your control in your entire divine cosmic loop. And then you might feel relief from your body, because the body goes into tightness and tension, dysfunction and pathology when you, the soul, that now have a level of intensity, smear yourself into the field of the form, using the control to hold yourself in your divine line, divine cosmic loop, running your energy in a supportive, consistent way in your divine cosmic loop, while you hold your control in your divine cosmic loop, anchoring that stance in. And as you do, take a moment to invite your body, divinate spirit, to use its higher self, its energetic fields, to pull all of its control off of all other body devas, off of you, off of money, off of the outer world, into its own divine line, divine cosmic loop. And then I just heard something really interesting for the body. When the body wants to do something and can't do something, it's because it doesn't have its control in its divine line, divine cosmic loop. It can't. When the body is retrieving all of its control, holding its control in its divine cosmic loop in an equally dispersed way, then it has the capacity to do what it wants to do because it has control of its own energy. So keep holding space, soul rider, witnessing your body and retrieving all of its control back to its own divine line, divine cosmic loop. And you might just again be in a silent mantra of body, retrieve your control off of everyone and everything. Back to your own divine cosmic loop. Control the light that flows within you. And modeling. Invite your teams to do the same. And then breathe. Balance and stabilize. Update grids. Holding the control in the line. Snuggle up on front of spine. Letting that integrate. And just take a moment to feel the shifts